Hi everybody and welcome back to my cookery channel, Boondi curry. That's what I'm going to show you how to make today. So let's begin our recipe. Now first of all, take a kadhai into which I have added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. It's a very simple dish and with very few ingredients, believe me. Now once the oil starts turning hot, the first thing that you're going to add to it is going to be half a teaspoon of hing. When you're running out of vegetables and running out of, all the supplies at home, this is one vegetable or one curry that comes to your rescue. Now in goes 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now mix it up well. 1 chopped onion. Believe me, 1 chopped onion, that's all you need. Now mix it up. You don't have to brown the onions. You just have to cook it till they become slightly translucent. And as they say that the kacha smell should go away. So just a little. You just saute it a little. Now you can see it's not turned brown, but it's cooked a little and it's become slightly translucent. Okay, now we're going to add 1 chopped tomato, 1 large chopped tomato. Mix it up with the onions and you have to just cook it till it becomes slightly soft. You don't need any other vegetable in this. Just 1 onion and 1 tomato should be enough to make your curry nice and tasty. Now the dry masalas. Half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder or more or less according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder, Jeera powder, Dhania powder, salt to taste, and just give it a little mix. So half a teaspoon of Jeera powder and half a teaspoon of Dhania powder should be enough. You don't have to put too much of it. What you actually have to put a lot in this is a little bit of khatta. Now some Dhania powder, Hara Dhania, and 1 green chilli. Just give it a nice mix and you just cook it till the oil kind of separates from it. See, the tomatoes have turned nice and soft. It's a little sour kind of a curry. So half a katori of curd. And once you add the curd, you continue to stir it. Otherwise the curd can, curdle and then, it will not be very tasty. So just continue to stir it and mix it up with the onion and the tomatoes. And you can already see that it's looking nice and tasty. See, just continue to stir it till the curd cooks well with the onion and the tomato. And believe me, that's about all. You don't really need any other masala in this. Now you see that the curd seems to be coming in together with the masala. And now we're going to make a curry out of this. So all of those people who've been following my channel, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'd be very happy if you could give me your comments and also like and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm adding some water for the curry, and this is a thin curry, so you can add enough water. It's not a very thick curry, it's a thin curry. So add water. Now just wait for the water to boil. So let's cover it up for a while. It'll just, make the boiling a little faster. Let's just check it up. Yeah, the water is boiling. The curry is already boiling. And in goes our boondi. Okay, so just about half a bowl of boondi. Just mix it up. And ideally this dish should be made just before you're going to serve it, because if you make it earlier and leave it, then what happens, the boondi soaks in all the water, and then it's the boondi kind of breaks, and it's not the same thing. So just before you're serving it is the ideal time for you to make it. So you can see the way it's boiling. The curry is done. Just give it a good stir and adjust your salt if you have to. See, it's a very thin curry. Now our dish is ready with hardly any ingredients. So take it out into a bowl and garnish it with your dhania. Hope you enjoyed this. Eat it with nice hot chapatis.